Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these new ABC pants from Lululemon. These are the ABC, what are these called? ABC Pant Slim. Color was bone, and this is a final sale, so that's why it's not sealed in a bag. This is what the tag looks like. Final sale, don't really have like light pants like this, so I wanted to try it out. That's what it looks like. Wow. Looks very nice, this bone color. It's not like a pure white. It's like a, but it is very light. It's not a pure white though. Not like a bright white. But yeah, this is a huge reason why I like these pants. They're stretchy, but they look like regular jeans to me. Got these normal pockets here. Got this pocket here, which is nice, but this is the money pocket, the one with the zipper. So back right zipper has a zipper pocket that I like to put my wallet in. So this is clutch for me. I always like having my wallet sealed and zipped up. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of these pants in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you on the next unboxing video. Later.